Oh. Okay, we're back in the greenhouse. It's been almost a year since I did the Gardena Smart System video, and now it's the 17th of May here in Norway, which is, by the way, the Constitution Day in Norway, so we had a day off, which is nice. I'm gonna reinstall the Gardena Smart System. I don't know if you can see, maybe, yeah, over here. It's starting to fill up with a lot of trays, with a lot of plants that we need to get down in the raised beds. I don't want to break any plants, so this year I'm gonna install it first, and then we can do the planting afterwards. That's gonna be much easier, I hope. I got the smart control thing, I got my sensor, I got the hose, I got all the tiny hoses. The gateway is plugged in inside the house. It's connected to Wi-Fi. I tested it. It seems to be working. So let's start with just cleaning out a few of the trays here so I can actually do some work in here. And I'm gonna put on my sunglasses because it's getting really bright. So I really need to watch my step when doing this, but hopefully it's gonna turn out good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is installing one of the main lines. If you saw the other video I posted last year, the water line comes in over there, goes all the way to that corner, under the staircase, and it kind of ends right over there. I don't even know why I removed this one, but I guess I planned on removing all of them. Ah! There we go. Now I just need to get those little... So pro tip number 2, remember where you put all of these, because you're probably gonna need them. If I remember correctly, connecting one of these big hoses to one of those couplers was a total pain in the... Oh, god damn. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, not difficult at all. So if you already have connectors connected to the main line, as I do, you just want to make sure they're facing the way you want them. So I probably need to twist this corner a little bit. Perfect. So now I'm gonna see if I can untangle this mess. So you have different ways of dispensing water. So this is your standard one. So this is basically the one you think of when you think drip irrigation system. This is an adjustable drip thing, so you can screw it in and out, kind of regulate the flow of water, so you get more or less. And this type of nozzle is also drip irrigation. So this one just gives you a constant flow of water. I also have this one connected to the main line directly. This is a 360 sprinkler. So that one is gonna spray water in a circle around it basically. And that's great for herbs or something when you plant everything in a large area and want to water everything at the same time. For example, this basil, that would be perfect, and that's also what we had in this pot last year. And lastly, I have that one, which is a 180 sprinkler, so that's just gonna spray water towards me where I'm sitting right now. Also great for watering several plants at the same time. Hook this up right there. Thankfully these connectors are way easier to connect because the hose is so much more it's soft, not like this one, so it just connects super easy. And that one, perfect. And there we go. It just kind of snaps into place, so you feel the locking mechanism really kicks in. It's really good. That's basically the whole system hooked up now. So now it's time for the fun stuff, and that's connecting the main water control unit, and we're also going to connect the smart sensor. Oh crap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut the water off. I'm gonna unscrew this one that way, like so. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect that one like so, and then I'm gonna connect the water boy, the big one, and that's it. So just for fun, let's go ahead and see if it works. Yes. Now I just need to connect that water thing to the greenhouse. Nope. I'm gonna use this one for now. The water is hooked up. Now it's time for the app and the sensor. One thing you want to make sure when planting this is, first of all, to put it close to one of the drippy things, and secondly, when installing this or planting it, as they say, but you want to put some water on there just when you have planted it, so it gets good contact. So I'm just going to go ahead and shove it down right about here. So that's between two of these, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour pretty large amount of water on it. There we go. Should do it. Device not reachable. Help. I still have power to continue when it's re-establishing. Sweet. Still says I should replace the batteries. Why? I did. Hang on. Let's try to start it either way. It works. Probably just takes some time to realize it's... Whoa, shit. Shit. That's probably not great. Oh. Stop. Oh wow. So I'm not sure if you saw what happened here, but this little thing, this is where my regular water hose connects to the smart system or the drip irrigation system. Not sure you can see that, but it's a hairline crack in the plastic. It's soaking the greenhouse basically. I wasn't expecting that. I really thought this piece was frostproof, but apparently it's not. I can't really get this today because everything is closed. It's a bit of a bummer because I really wanted to show you the drip in action. The system as a whole seems to be working really good. Everything connects, the gateway is okay. I just need to replace the batteries in the main control unit. The hoses doesn't seem to leak, apart from that one of course. And yeah, all in all I think we're good. So just remember to bring this little connector inside before winter hits you. Especially if you live in a cold climate like we do. Bye bye.